Good afternoon. In some situations, you need to add a large number of employees to the program at once. Doing this manually is extremely difficult. Sigur offers a convenient functionality to import employees in a large-scale batch from a pre-prepared XLS file. Let's demonstrate how to prepare this specific type of document and then import it into the client program. To successfully perform the import, you need to create an Excel table where the first row contains the corresponding headers for each category and the remaining rows contain the actual data. Let's create the main columns: full name, employee number, department. If this field is left blank, the employee will be created at the root of the list. You can also specify department nesting in this field. For example, Logistics Department / Central Warehouse. Regarding the credential numbers, you can enter a single pass or even several different employee passes in WIGEN 26, 37, or 58 formats. If you enter multiple passes, please ensure that you use a semicolon as the required separator. Photo. You can specify the name and path to the image. To do this, you need to specify the full path to the file in the line or just its name if you place the imported XLS file in the same folder as the photos. The newly imported data file can comprehensively include both standard employee card fields and customize additional parameters. Let's carefully fill in the created fields, save the file, and then proceed to the import process. To do this, go to the Cardholders tab in the Client program and click the XLS Import from Excel Table button on the top toolbar. In the dialog window, select the file with the prepared table and click the OK button. The Import Cardholders from Excel window will open. The full path to the file and its name are displayed in the source file line. In the Data Availability column, you need to select the required values. In the column containing data column, choose the necessary column by its name or number. In the separator for rules and nested departments line, you can specify a separator character. Departments separated by this character will be nested within each other hierarchically according to their order. The first will be the topmost and the last will be the lowest, where the object will be located. Modes separated by this character will be applied to the object. It is possible to import data from additional personnel fields, which are used to assign extra non-standard data access to the object. After clicking the Import button, a window with the import process will open. Once it's finished, we will see the added employees. I should emphasize that this method is particularly effective and can be utilized in cases where you need to update information for several different employees, or a large group of employees all at once. The uniqueness of an employee will be checked by the combination of department and full name. So we have now thoroughly reviewed the process of how to import employees into the Sigur software using a standard XLS file. Thank you for your attention.